Now, so what do you want? Be kind and being nice. So teach me. What? Oh, he leave. Instead of correct me, what's my wrong? He chose to leave. Okay, Clyde, go Clyde. Mag, sakit ang tiyan, ma. What? I'm not your maestro, Charis. You insist to teach me. So what? Your mom, yes, she asked if I want to eat again, but I said, don't, I don't want to eat again. Because I'm so very full. Mm. Asabi, Pel. Nasabi dira, Pel. Tawag na sila, mama. Oh. Yes, I'm full. Full or full? Yes, Aaron. Ay, Aaron Clyde. Pel, di na. Chinese, ini, mini, mini, mulaba.
Bye-bye, Mamu.
No.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, sabi.
Bye-bye, mga tata.
Bye-bye. Like tata. Bye-bye, baby. Oh, hi. How are you? Nah, I'm good.
I'm Gru.
Yung ano ka mo, baby? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, love you. Mamu, love you, mamu. Sige na. Love you. Tama? Bye. My nephew. She said, I love you, Tata. Hi, Rohan.
Bye. Sige na, bye-bye na. Bye.
Yes.